If your Nissan displays an unavailable front radar obstruction warning, it means the radar sensor at the front of your vehicle can't properly detect objects ahead. When this happens, important safety features like intelligent cruise control, ProPilot Assist, and forward emergency braking may be temporarily disabled. In many cases, the issue isn't a serious failure. It's often caused by dirt, weather conditions, or temporary sensor interference. Important steps: 1. Park the vehicle safely and turn the engine off completely. 2. Locate the radar sensor, usually behind the Nissan emblem or in the lower front grille. 3. Gently clean the sensor area with a soft, damp cloth to remove dirt, snow, ice, or road salt. 4. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the radar surface. 5. Restart the vehicle after waiting a few minutes and drive at moderate speed for 5 to 10 minutes to allow recalibration. 6. If the warning remains, schedule professional calibration or inspection, especially after any front end repair or collision.